For them. They get aggressively after it in the first 5 minutes of this period. They're rewarded with a goal. Fires it on net. Big time stop there. And the puck's kicked free. Sends it quickly to Johansson. What an effort to get this game back to level. You've got to continue to work even when you trail the game. They did that, and now they have a brand new game to play. He didn't have much room up over the glove, but as soon as the goalie dropped into the butterfly, there was enough for him to put it into the top bin. Lots of time left in this period. We are all tied up in this one. Johansson's won possession. Ahead of steam now towards the front. And that's turned aside by Curry. The Predators have it from their own end.